In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Mail efficiently in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Zoho or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate through the essentials of composing, sending, and managing your emails with ease. Let's start by diving into your Zoho Mail account. Begin by logging in. Simply enter your credentials on the Zoho Mail sign-in page and you'll land on your inbox. The inbox is where all your incoming emails reside, and you can recognize unread messages by their bold format. Next, let's explore how to compose and send an email. To draft a new message, look for the New Mail button, usually prominently displayed. Clicking it will open up the email composer. In this section, you can enter recipient addresses, including those for carbon copies, CC, and blind carbon copies, BCC, which is useful when you want to send the email to other recipients without revealing their addresses to the primary receiver. Make sure to provide a clear subject line. This gives the recipient a glimpse of your email content at first glance. Now move on to the main content of your message. Whether it's a brief note or a detailed report, make sure your email is clear, concise, and formatted appropriately. Once you're happy with your email, click the Send button. With your email sent, let's move on to managing your inbox efficiently. It's not just about sending emails, it's crucial to know how to handle incoming ones. When you view an email, you have several options. You can move it to different folders, add tags, or even archive it for future reference. There are options to delete unwanted emails, set reminders for important ones, or convert emails into tasks, calendar events, and notes, providing a seamless workflow. Replying to emails is also straightforward. Use the reply button to respond to the sender, reply all to reply to everyone included in the original email, or forward to send the message to new recipients. Zoho Mail is packed with features. For example, its rich formatting options allow you to personalize emails with templates or embed HTML code for a unique look. Plus, there are tools for attachments, internal chat, and an integrated calendar and tasks feature to keep you organized. For business users, setting up and managing your domain within Zoho Mail is an option, enabling you to have a more customized email experience. That's a quick look at how you can use Zoho Mail effectively. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring even more features as you get comfortable with the platform.